welcome to another edition of What's Cooking in Buck's Kitchen. Today I'm going to try another copycat recipe. We are big pizza fans. We make pizza on Pizza Friday. Taco Bell has something called the Mexican pizza. Taco Bell Mexican pizza. So I thought, why not try to make the Taco Bell Mexican pizza? I got refried beans. Taco Bell uses a 3-cheese blend of Monterey cheddar and mozzarella. I got my 80-20 ground beef. I'm going to season it with actual Taco Bell seasoning. I've got Taco Bell sauce. I've got tomatoes, onions, and jalapenos already prepped and ready. I couldn't tell if they were flour or corn tortillas, so I'm going to try both and see which one comes out the best. First thing I need to do is I need to get my beans heated up. Taco Bell does sell in the stores their own refried beans. I couldn't find it, so I went with Rosarita traditional. So while the beans are warming up, I have to brown some 80-20 ground beef. Alright, so now let that brown, let that heat, and I'm going to enjoy a margarita. What better to drink on a hot day while making Mexican pizza. 88 degrees today, humid, hot. This ground beef is not going to take long to cook. You can see right now it's starting to brown up real nice. So now it's time to add some Taco Bell seasoning. 1 pound of beef to 1 package of Taco Bell seasoning. Mix that in. It's getting warm. So I chopped up a little jalapeno, but I thought it might be a good addition just to kick it up, make it taste a little bit better. Give it a little bit added flavor. I'm not going to cook it a lot. Just enough to bring out that flavor. Alright, that meat is done. I'm going to turn this burner off. I'm going to slide these jalapenos over to the middle and let them continue to cook a little bit right here. And while they're going, this is where we start the first version with the corn tortillas. Like I said, corn tortilla versus flour tortilla. Historically, I like the flour tortillas better, but I'm going to go with the flour or the corn ones because that's what it looks like in the picture. So with a hot griddle, a little bit of oil down. Get these down here with a lot of oil so they crisp up. Stir the beans up a little bit more. I can see them loosening up now. So they're starting to warm up pretty good now. And they're getting hot. Very good. Alright, so like I said, I don't want these to overcook, so I'm going to pull these off. Put them back in the ramekin here, or whatever this thing is called, the little glass dish. And continue cooking my tortillas. Alright. See the glistening on these things? This is crisping up nice. Whew. It is getting hot. Okay, so those are starting to crisp up. So as far as I can tell, the way Taco Bell makes their Mexican pizza, they crisp up their tortillas, they add a layer of refried beans with a little bit of the ground beef. All right. A shell goes on top. I've got some Taco Bell mild sauce here, which I'm then going to pour on top here like that. I'm going to spread that around like that. There you go. Now you're talking. All right. And then their cheese blend. And then on top of that, they put some chopped tomatoes. This is your traditional Taco Bell Mexican pizza. Well, just like that. Fantastic. Gorgeous. Now, I don't know how you're supposed to eat this thing. But it's definitely crispy. I give it that much. There you have it. Whoa! It's definitely hot. It is good. Like I said, historically, I like the flour tortilla, but the corn tortilla is crunchy. Ooh, and I like it. I like it a lot. Ooh. Wow. That's really good. Okay. That was good. But I think we can do better. Now let's try it with the flour tortillas. I'm not going to put a lot of oil down because I don't want to burn these. Just want to warm them up and give them a little bit of crisp. I want them a little golden brown. Shouldn't take that long at all. Oh yeah, look at that. See, that's the kind of color I want right there. Whew. All right. Let's check that out. Let's see how that goes. I don't want these to burn too much, so let's start building. On this one, we're going to start off again with the refried beans. Whew. Hot, hot, hot. Hot, 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 hot. Refried beans spread across evenly. Let's get some meat on there. Spread that around evenly across the beans. Looking splendid. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful. All right, lay that on top like that. And again, we go with some sauce. Spread that around. Just like a pizza pie. I've made a few pizzas in my time, so I kind of know how to spread the sauce and the cheese. All right. Again, a few onions, a few tomatoes. Just a couple of tomatoes. But on this one, I'm going to add some raw onion. And those sauteed jalapenos. So a little bit of extra flavor. And then on top of that, a little bit more cheese. Just to keep it all. And then this time, I'm going to cover it for a few seconds. And now, once again, my version of the Mexican Taco Bell pizza. It's crispy. The cheese is not quite as melted, but it's continuing to melt. It looks fantastic. Look at that! Woo-wee, baby! That is good. All right, let's give this one a cut. This time I'm going to cut it with a pizza wheel. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. Are you kidding me with this? Okay. Okay, flour tortilla, definitely the way to go. Onion, jalapeno, tomato, a little extra cheese. A little extra sauce. There you go. That's it right there. Boom. This is my version with the flour tortilla, and this is the one to go with. Make it, eat it, love it. Tell me what you think. This is Buck's Kitchen, my version of the Taco Bell Mexican pizza. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video. It'll sure help me out. And let me know what you want to see me cook next time. In the meantime, this is Buck's Kitchen, and I'll see you on the next cook.